Most beginners lose money before they even place a trade. Not because of strategy, not because of the market, but because they chose the wrong place for the battle. Your exchange is not just a website, it is your interface with the market. Every order, every position, every mistake goes through it. If this interface is flawed, your decisions will be flawed. Before you learn charts, you need to secure the environment you operate in. A professional looks at three things. Liquidity. Without it, your orders won't be filled properly. Slippage turns precision into loss. Stability. When volatility hits, weak platforms freeze. And when you lose control, you lose money. Tools. A trader needs more than a chart, order book, tape, advanced order types. Without them, you are trading blind. This is why, in Gnostic markets, we use Bybit. Deep liquidity, stable execution, a complete professional interface. Everything you need, without unnecessary noise. But understand this, no exchange will make you profitable. It is only a tool. Without knowledge, it becomes a faster way to lose money. Even the most reliable platforms are not risk-free. Centralized systems can fail, experience disruptions, or face unexpected situations. Keep this in mind, you operate in an environment with no guarantees. If you're ready to start correctly, use the link in the channel description. Set up your account, prepare your environment. In the next step, you will enter the system and see the interface most traders never truly understand. Your initiation has begun.